Hi, so I just ordered some material for resin for Epoke. Let's open this box. It's quite heavy and sturdy. Let's see how it goes. So Epoke is a Bangalore company and they're doing quite well. I like the resin, basically 3:1 ratio they give it, and it might sound expensive, but then again the results are pretty good. Let's see what we got. Three. And there it is. Let's see. So I just wanted to show. So the colors are very vibrant. I think I don't usually buy pigments, but I have seen Epoke colors are good. So you can see this is orange, cinnabar orange. If it is focusing, yes. So I am into resin keychains and rakis, moreover. This is more of pastel orange, burnt orange they are saying, but it is more of pastel orange. My favorite, dark green. I don't know why I like it. It is buzz green. You can see. Yes. So I don't have red for some reason till now, but I'm going to have it. It is cardinal pink. So they are having aquamarine, ultraviolet, ultramarine blue, sandstone. So it's the ocean theme I got, mini pigments. So I usually get mini pigments only because the larger the box, but still if after 4 or 5 years also no, it doesn't get exhausted. So that is the reason I get mini pigments only. Ultra white. I like this blue. Ultramarine blue. Aquamarine. I have this color. And I like this color also, sandstone, if you can see. So I'm going to show you the pigments, samples also after making. Let's go with this box. Don't remember. Did I order something big? It was small only, the box is big. So usually now these companies are asking us to green lemon mint. So these companies are asking us to make a video if in case you want something so this is golden yellow and basically it is yellow, lemon yellow type. For even if there is some issue, golden yellow, signal red, by mistake I ordered 2 yellows basically, that lacy white. So I want to see what is the difference between lacy white and ultraviolet. So we'll see that also. And then again This is Irish green. So I have now 3 greens. Basically, I was not having any single green. So yes. So I was saying these companies basically ask us to make videos so that in case there's any damage through because of the courier or maybe the mispackaging, you can ask for the refund or maybe reschedule. If you like the colors and if you have any other queries according to the colors, these are the wet pigments which are going to last for I guess 10 to 15 years if I'm going to work for resin for 10 to 15 years. You can comment and subscribe my channel and like the video if you like it, and if you like more of the boxes that unboxing, please let me know what kind of art material you'll be liking to have. Bye, take care, have a nice day.